Hi, hello guys. In this video, we are going to see about how to download Shotcut. Shotcut is one of the most popular video editors. Shotcut is open source and you can download it for free. First of all, go to your browser and then type shotcut.org. It is the official website of Shotcut. You can see a link that click to download. Click it on and you will go to this page. You can see that there are many download links. First of all, find your Windows version. Is it 64-bit or 32-bit? I have a 64-bit Windows, so I am click it on 64-bit Windows installer. There are two websites. One is GitHub and FOSSUP. I prefer FOSSUP because it's faster than GitHub. Just click it on. And then you can see that your file is getting downloaded. I have already downloaded my file. I just go to this PC and then you will find your downloaded file in the downloads. Yeah, you can see Shotcut. Yeah, just click it on to install it. Click yes, and then if you have more time you can read this or just simply click I agree as. Just click agree, and then this is where you can select where your files are going to be stored. You can change the location. For me the default location is okay, so I click next and then mark this create desktop shortcut and then click install. It will take some time. Yeah, finally it gets completed. Then click close. Go to your desktop. You can see a shortcut of Shotcut app. Just click it on. Yeah, now you are ready to make your own projects. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you want to know about how to work with Shotcut, then make a comment on your comment box. Thank you guys.